Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what is going on, everybody? Today I wanted to make a video in my 2018 WRX STI and talk to you guys about why, and I know this is going to be hard for a lot of people and it even is hard for me, but why I am selling the STI, alright? And I know immediately, based on the title, immediately based on the sound of this car, people are going to be like, what the hell is wrong with you? How can you get rid of this? Ooh, baby. Man, oh, you know, and you guys are partly right, okay? How in the butt cheeks can I get rid of that? As a 21-year-old guy, all right, who loves that, how in the frick, all right, can I get rid of that? You know, how? And partly, to put it straight, ladies and gentlemen, I have had this type of sound and this type of stuff for, let's see, probably like 5 years now, because I first had a 2007 WRX, or 2007 Impreza, and then I had a 2005 WRX, and then I had another 2005 WRX, and then I had this 2018 STI. And all of them were modded to sound just like this. So you have to understand that I have had this type of sound, this type of feel in a car, even though this is a newer one, I have had this type of same feel and sound and car for like 5 years now. 5 years of 5 or 6 years of basically the same exact thing. And I've never had any other car than a Subaru, ever. My family barely has ever tried anything else than a Subaru. So, you know, it's just been Subaru, and Subaru is absolutely amazing. It's the best sounding 4-cylinder turbo car. I mean, after an exhaust, which I did and tune and stuff, but it is literally amazing. I absolutely love this car, and I can almost guarantee you guys one day in the future I will probably be in another one. But for right now, I really wanted to try something new, ladies and gentlemen. I just really wanted to try something new. So that's why I'm selling the STI. Oh man, I'm selling the STI for a Tesla Model 3 Performance. Now, you might be asking yourself, Shock, well, why aren't you like, okay, Tesla Model 3 Performance, that's cool, you know, it's so fast, you know, it could almost beat anything on the road, that's cool, but it's quiet. Why not get like a GTR, Shock? Why not, you know, okay, first off, a Tesla Model 3 Performance is already pretty expensive. If I wanted a GTR, like a newer one, how I would want it, it's like, what, 120, 140,000? Guys, what in the ball sacks? Do you think I won the lottery? That's so much money. That is so much money. I cannot. I've had people like, Shock, why don't you buy a GTR? You know, a GTR has similar performance to the Tesla Model 3. Sure. I'd probably, well, actually, I don't even know. If I test drove a GTR, okay? I test drove a GTR, and I might, man, a GTR is amazing, but it's hard because I would want, obviously, a GTR and a Tesla, or a WRX STI and a Tesla, because for roads like this, you know, when you're just, when you can just, you know, have some fun on back roads like this car and like a GTR is absolutely amazing. But I think as soon as you, I don't know how it is with the GTR, but as soon as you get on a road like this, or I mean a road like you're going to Target, you're on the highway, stuff like that, you're like, I wish I was in a Tesla, you know? That's how I am, at least. You know, and I know at the end of the day, there's still going to be a lot of you guys down below that were like me 8 months ago, and if you would have said anything about a Tesla, I was like, hell no, there's no way in hell I can own a Tesla. Do you realize the car that I have? I have the loudest freaking car in town. You think I can go to a Tesla? Are you eating freaking Fig Newtons? What the hell's going on? So, you know, I know there's going to be people in the comments that are, you know, you can't change their opinion. That's how I used to think, but my opinion changed after I rode. Oh my god, what was that? I don't know what that was. Those guys said. You know, and that's another thing that I think, baby, that's another thing that I think I'm gonna miss, ladies and gentlemen, is, okay, you shouldn't be like this, but the attention that this car gets is pretty cool, I gotta say. It's pretty freaking awesome, I must say, ladies and gentlemen. At the end of the day, the attention that this car gets is awesome. But, yeah, and I know no matter what I do to the Tesla, I am planning on wrapping the Tesla. I am planning on modding it. I'm planning on doing kind of the same things I did with this car to make it look awesome. But, and I will record all those videos and make content on all the Tesla stuff that I do. I'm wrapping it myself. I'm doing everything to it myself. No matter what I do to the Tesla, I don't think it will get the attention that this car receives. I don't think it will. I see there's GTRs, and I don't know what it is about the STI and the attention. I think it could be something with the wing, or the wrap, obviously the wrap, but I don't know. There's GTRs and stuff that don't get the amount of attention that this car gets. I don't know why. I think it could be the wing just looks a little ridiculous, something like that. You know, you don't see cars usually with a wing this big, so I don't know, but I do have to own up to the fact that the Tesla will not get as much attention as this car does, period. You know? And that's not something you should look for in a car. You shouldn't be like, how much attention is this car gonna get me? And then choose, oh, we have a Supra over there. That's another thing that I tried, ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to, and that's another freaking thing, ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to test drive a Supra. I was really interested in a Supra. They look so amazing. But, you know, Supra, rear wheel drive, there is gonna be winter driving that I do, so and that's another reason why Subarus as well, but that's another reason why we've always had Subarus is all-wheel drive. So I couldn't get a Supra. I did not want one because it's only rear-wheel drive. And also, oh god, people are just ridiculous with the Supra. You make one post about your Supra, and every single comment is, oh, it's just a BMW, it's terrible, sell it. Like, it's just ridiculous, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to the Supra. But that's another thing. I wanted to test drive a Supra, and it's literally impossible to test drive one. Tesla, all I have to do is walk inside, hey, I want to test drive. They give me the key, look at my license, I'm on our test drive. That is how you sell a car, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla is doing something right when it comes to that, you know? I had to be at a dealership for like 3-4 hours, okay, just to get a ride in the GTR that I was interested in. You know, it's just ridiculous, ladies and gentlemen. It is just ridiculous how insanely smart Tesla is about, you know, selling their cars. But, man, that Supra looks so good, man. I gotta say, I love the freaking look of the Supra. I can't imagine wrapping one and doing all the stuff that I did to this car, but to a Supra. Holy frick nuts, would a Supra look so freaking cool. But it's just insane. Now, another reason why I chose to get a Tesla, ladies and gentlemen, is, you know, I've just been starting to become, like, yes, for the past 5-6 years, I've been, you know, like this young, racer boy. I want the loudest, I want the craziest, but I'm starting to realize that, you know, I visit my family a lot now, and they're 3 hours away. Brenna's family and my family, and they're 3 hours away. So those 3-hour road trips almost weekly in an STI is definitely expensive. You know, I'm spending like $100 just to visit them. I mean, it's a little ridiculous. It would be like $10 in the Tesla. So that's another thing. I've started to, you know, value visiting family and stuff and hanging out with them and going on road trips a little bit more than pop, pop, bang, bang. You know what I mean? So that's another reason. But I can't deny, and I won't lie to you guys, one day I will probably be in an STI again. One day I probably will be, because I just love this car so much. And maybe, you know, in the future when I have 2 garage spaces instead of 1, maybe we've settled down somewhere, then maybe I'll build another STI. But for right now, I really think I really want to try a Tesla. About to get some stuff for my brain drive video, but yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's gonna wrap up this video today. I just wanted to sit down in the STI while I drive it, talk to you guys about some more personal stuff. You know I don't do that much personal stuff, but I feel like when it comes to, you know, I'm not a vlogging my whole life type of person, but I do want to keep you guys informed when it comes to some things like my car and what I'm driving and what I'm modding and what I'm messing with in terms of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, at least me sharing this, because I could have totally like sold this thing and not told anybody and gotten a Tesla and just kept that car life private. But, oh, there's my ring notification. But I really want to just share what I'm doing with you guys. So let me know what you think. I know some of you guys are definitely, without a doubt, no matter what I say, you're still gonna think it's the wrong choice to get a Tesla, and I totally understand. I totally agree. I would have said the same thing a while ago, but you know, let me know what you guys think regardless. If you're mad, let me know. If you're happy, let me know. You know, I guarantee you I'll be missing this thing right away. I will be missing it, but I know that, you know, I'm moving on to something new, and I want to experience that and try something new. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for being here. I will make a video. Obviously, I'm making a whole delivery video on the STI, on the Tesla. So I will have a video coming soon as the Tesla gets delivered. The Tesla should be getting delivered sometime in November, ladies and gentlemen. So sometime in November, look out for a video of me getting the Tesla delivered. I will probably make a video of me, I'm already recording the whole process of me ordering a Tesla, what it's like. I'm gonna record delivery day, all that stuff, and make it into one awesome video of me picking up and taking delivery of the Tesla Model 3 Performance, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm really excited. If you guys, for whatever reason, are actually someone who's genuinely interested in buying my STI, I would love for it to go to somebody that I can stay in contact with and, you know, keep up to date on how this car is doing, because I would really want to, you know, sell this to somebody that actually cares about this car like I do. So let me know what you think down below. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.